Now that you know how to rephrase your thesis to start your conclusion paragraph, let's learn about summarizing our ideas. Welcome to Workshop 12, the summary. Just like the introduction paragraph had a background, the conclusion paragraph has a summary. The summary is 3 to 4 sentences that help remind readers about what they read in your full essay. To write a summary, pick 2 or 3 really important sentences from your body paragraphs. Then rephrase them just like you did with the thesis. Now that you know what to do, there's also some things that you should not do. So here's what not to do when you summarize. Here are some things to avoid when writing your summary sentences. Adding new ideas or details that you didn't talk about in the body paragraphs. You should stick to reviewing what you have already wrote, so don't add new information. Copying the same exact sentence from your body paragraphs. We should rephrase it. Remember, we want to change the sentence, so it's similar, but it's still a new and different sentence. Writing more than 3 sentences. We want to keep the summary short and sweet. We're not writing another essay, we're just telling readers our main points. Remember, you can use synonyms and change the order of the sentence to rephrase, just like you learned in Workshop 10 and 11. All right, now let's practice writing summaries.
Now let's do practice 1. Use the word boxes to rephrase these body paragraph sentences and turn them into summary sentences for the conclusion. Body sentence 1. Unlike other fruits like strawberries or grapes, apples can be good to eat even if they've been out of the fridge for up to a week. Word box. Bunch, fruits, time, enjoy. Summary sentence number 1. Apples don't need to be refrigerated, which means you can buy a blank at once and blank them for a longer blank compared to other blank. The summary sentence for number 1 should say, apples don't need to be refrigerated, which means you can buy a bunch at once and enjoy them for a longer time compared to other fruits. Let's do body sentence 2 now. Not only do apples have lots of fiber and vitamin C, they may also keep your heart and stomach healthy. Your word box is nutrients, healthy, and help. Summary sentence number 2 is, apples can blank, keep your body blank since they contain lots of blank. Your summary sentence for number 2 should say, apples can help keep your body healthy since they contain lots of nutrients. Now let's try again for the third body sentence. For example, you can make a delicious dessert like apple pie, apple crumble, or cinnamon apple cake. Your word box is cakes, fantastic, apples, and create. Your summary sentence for number 3 is, you can blank some blank desserts like pies and blank when you bake with blank. Your summary sentence for number 3 should say, you can create some fantastic desserts like pies and cakes when you bake with apples. Do you see how you take the sentences and change them to make the summary?
Notice, these sentences change up the order to avoid repetition. Remember, we want our sentences to be similar but still different sentences.
Let's move on to practice 2. Read the 3 body paragraphs you wrote in Workshop 10 and highlight one important sentence in each paragraph. Copy down the body paragraph sentences you highlighted and rephrase them to turn them into summary sentences. For example, the body sentence number 1 is, cold weather makes things freeze, including bugs. The summary sentence is, in winter, there are no annoying bugs because they all froze from the cold weather. The body sentence for number 2 is, if there is no snow, there is nothing to slide down on a snowboard. The summary sentence for this is, since it can only snow in very cold weather, snowboarding is only possible in the winter. The body sentence for number 3 is, Christmas is amazing because you get presents from Santa. The summary sentence is, Everyone looks forward to getting exciting presents from Santa on Christmas. Now it's your turn. Copy down a sentence from body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 3 in workshop 10. Then summarize the sentence. Now it's time to put this all together and start the beginning of your conclusion. Let's write the essay conclusion. Rewrite the rephrased thesis from workshop 11. Then rewrite the summary sentences you wrote on the page before. Here's an example. The question is still, do you think winter or summer is better? The rephrased thesis from workshop 11 was, winter is my favorite for a lot of reasons. Then the sentences from the page before that make the summary are, in the winter, there are no annoying bugs because they all froze from the cold weather. Since it can only snow in very cold weather, snowboarding is only possible in the winter. Also, everyone looks forward to getting exciting presents from Santa on Christmas. Now it's your turn. Rewrite your rephrased thesis from workshop 11, and then rewrite your summary sentences from the page before this one.
Now that you've started your conclusion paragraph, let's check that we are doing everything correctly before we move on. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Did I copy my rephrased thesis from workshop 11? And did I copy all my summary sentences from the page before? If you checked all of these, well done. I'll see you in the next workshop.